Do this and she will become obsessed with you overnight. Hey there, it's Anna. Today I'm going to let you in on some powerful tactics that can make a woman become obsessed with you virtually overnight. It's about more than just making a good impression. It's about creating a lasting impact that keeps you on her mind long after you've parted ways. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to spark her interest and fan the flames of her fascination. Ready to become unforgettable in her eyes? Let's dive into these game-changing strategies. Fronting. It's all about body language. When you are talking to her, make sure to face her directly. This isn't just about politeness, it sends a message that she has your undivided attention. It's a silent signal that says, you're important to me, and it's all about respect and engagement. And trust me, she will notice it. This simple act can make her feel special and valued, leaving a lasting impression. Paralanguage attention. Now, let's talk about how you speak, because your voice isn't just a medium to convey words, it's a tool for attraction. Pay close attention to your tone, your pitch, and the speed at which you are speaking. Try adopting a slightly lower tone. It's often perceived as more attractive and can project an air of confidence. Remember, it's not just what you say, but how you say it. This detail can make your words linger in her mind long after the conversation ends. Use of proxemics. Proximity is key. It's about understanding and managing the physical space between you and her. You want to be close enough to create a sense of intimacy, yet not so close that she feels crowded. It's a delicate balance. The right distance is going to make her feel comfortable and draw her in closer, both physically and emotionally. And this subtle manipulation of space can significantly affect how she perceives and connects with you. The focused gaze. Here's a powerful yet simple trick. Occasionally let your gaze drift to her lips, but be subtle about it. This isn't about making her uncomfortable, but about creating a hint of romantic tension. It's a nonverbal cue that suggests attraction, and if done right, it's incredibly effective. This brief shift in your gaze can send her heart racing and leave her thinking about that moment and you long after you've parted ways. Power of silence. Silence is more powerful than you think, and in your conversations with her, don't be afraid to let a moment linger without words. When you pause strategically, it's like you're inviting her into the depth of the conversation. It gives her space to think and contribute, making her feel more involved. Now, this isn't just a gap in dialogue, it's a tool to create intrigue, and she will start filling these silences with her thoughts about you, often leading to a deeper curiosity and interest in who you are. Touch barrier break. Breaking the touch barrier can significantly heighten the sense of connection. But remember, it's all about subtlety and respect. A light touch on the forearm or a brief pat on the back can speak volumes. These small gestures can ignite a spark of chemistry and make her feel more comfortable with your presence. It's a physical affirmation of your interest, and when done appropriately, this can leave a lasting impression, making her yearn for more such interactions. Bilateral symmetry. Believe it or not, the way that you carry yourself matters. Practice maintaining good posture and use balanced gestures. Bilateral symmetry is often subconsciously perceived as a sign of good health and attractiveness. So by presenting yourself in a physically balanced way, you are more likely to catch her eye. Now, it's not just about looking good, it's about exuding an aura of self-assuredness and stability. And this can make her see you as someone desirable and attractive. Highlighting complementarity. Show her how your interests and your personality are a perfect match for hers. It's not just about having things in common, it's about demonstrating how your unique qualities complement each other. For instance, if she's passionate about art, share your genuine appreciation for it, even if it's not your expertise. Let her see that your differences and similarities create a balance, making you an exciting, potentially irresistible combination. Isopraxism, behavior matching. This is about mirroring her positive body language. If she leans in while laughing, do the same. If she uses certain gestures when excited, reflect them in a subtle manner. This mirroring, known as isopraxism, can create a silent subconscious communication that builds trust and rapport. It's like saying, I get you, without words. This connection can linger in her mind, making her more attracted to you. Contrast effect. When in a group, use the contrast effect to your advantage. Initially, be sociable with everyone, then gradually focus your attention on her. This shift in attention will make her feel special and noticed, compared to the broader interactions of the group. Your focused attention on her, well, it's going to shine brighter. It's a powerful way to draw her in and leave her thinking about the unique attention you gave her. Intermittent reinforcement. Keep her guessing a bit, show keen interest at times and pull back and give her some space. This variation in attention works wonders. Now, it's not about playing games, it's about showing that while you are interested, you also have your own life. This intermittent reinforcement creates a kind of intrigue and attraction that keeps her on her toes, wondering about your next move and likely thinking about you constantly. Reciprocity of liking. This is simple yet effective. When you show that you like her, chances are she will start to see you in a more favourable light. People naturally warm up to those who appreciate them, so don't shy away from expressing your admiration for her qualities. Whether it's her sense of humour, her intelligence, or her kindness, let her know what you appreciate. This acknowledgement can make her think about you positively, wondering over your compliments and the sincerity behind them. Priming with words. Words, they are powerful, so use them wisely to create a lasting impression. In your conversations, weave in positive, uplifting words and phrases. Talk about hopeful scenarios, joyful experiences, and happy memories. This subtle technique of priming can lead her to associate these positive feelings with you. And when she thinks about you later, she's likely to recall these good feelings, making her drawn to the idea of spending more time with you. The colour red effect. Don't underestimate the power of colour psychology. Red is often linked to love, passion, and attraction. And wearing red, even if it's just a hint, like on a tie or a pocket square, can subconsciously signal attraction and power. It's a subtle visual cue that can make you more appealing in her eyes. And when she recalls the time spent with you, that dash of red might just symbolise warmth and attraction in her mind. Non-dominant hand gestures. Using your non-dominant hand for gestures can be an intriguing tactic. Gestures from your non-dominant hand often come across as less polished and more authentic, perhaps even vulnerable. This authenticity can be charming because it suggests a genuineness in your interactions, making her feel more connected and comfortable with you. And when she thinks back to your conversations, these natural gestures can make you seem more relatable and endearing. Oxytocin enhancement through laughter. Humour is your secret weapon, and sharing a laugh isn't just about being funny, it's about creating a bond. When you make her laugh with a witty comment or a humorous observation, you are doing more than just entertaining her. Laughter triggers the release of oxytocin, commonly known as the love hormone or the bonding hormone, and this chemical boost fosters a sense of connection and trust. So the next time you are with her, remember that a good laugh can leave a lasting impression, making her feel close to you and eager for more shared moments of joy. Elevation of voice at sentence ends. Tone matters, so when you're wrapping up a light-hearted sentence, slightly elevate your tone towards the end. This change in pitch can transform a simple sentence into something playful and engaging. It's like adding a verbal wink to your words. This vocal inflection can make the conversation feel more dynamic and spirited, and it's these little nuances in how you speak that can linger in her mind, making her recall your conversations with a smile. Shared experiences reference. Bringing up a shared experience or an inside joke from a past encounter can be incredibly effective. It's a way of saying, remember that fun time that we had? Without being too direct, of course. Now, this approach strengthens your bond by building on previous interactions. It creates a sense of exclusivity, making her feel like there's a unique connection between the two of you. And when she thinks about you, these memories of shared experiences can make her feel more invested and interested in building more such moments with you. The flawsome approach. Nobody's perfect, and admitting that can be charming. So when you share a harmless flaw or a funny mistake, you can come across as more human and relatable. Now, it takes the pressure off and adds a layer of authenticity to your interactions. This approach, often referred to as being flawsome, shows that you're comfortable in your skin and you can laugh at yourself. Now, this is a quality that's endearing. It's going to make her feel more at ease around you. A light-hearted admission of a quirky mistake can be far more memorable than trying to portray yourself as Mr. Perfect. And there you have it, the key to making her obsessed with you overnight. If you are curious about more, then check out the unmistakable signs she is sexually attracted to you, or discover the signs that she wants to spend more time with you. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship insights.